Hi, Dr. Aman. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing all good. How are you?
Excellent. Dr. Aman is our Volkswagen Vento customer. So, Dr. Aman, how do you feel?
I'm doing actually great. I wasn't doing great at all when I came to you, but now I'm feeling good.
So, what's your story about the car? Who आपको किसने रेफर किया इस कार के को यहाँ हमारे Autocrest में?
So there was an old mechanic of mine who is in my town only.
कहाँ से हैं आप? Which town is this?
I am from Rewari.
Oh wow.
So he had the car repaired here. So Siddharth helped him out in the ABS thing, and he wasn't able to figure it out on his own.
Right.
So he suggested me that you should visit this place once in order to rectify all the errors you have been getting in the car.
Okay. So क्या majorly broadly क्या issues थे?
So I bought this car in 2020.
Right.
And while I was driving it to Hisar, my first big trip from Gurugram to Hisar,
Right.
probably in the month of October or November, the
Yeah.
car were driving fine until I went to Hisar.
Right.
When I took it back and came back to Gurugram, in the middle of around 100 kilometers, the car stopped. And the issue came was it was not switching gears on its own, so I had to switch it to manual and then drive it, and the acceleration was missing in the car, and
Right.
it was getting stopped, and I think there were bumps, a lot of bumps while I was driving the car. So, and there was a moment when the car automatically just shut it down and there was no power in the car at all.
Right.
So it was in the month of October, November, the temperatures are not that high. So I was continuously driving the car, but not on big trips because of the fear of getting stopped in between.
Right.
But like now it's like April or March, the problem came again, and even in the short distance of 45 kilometers, the car was showing the same symptoms.
Right.
So I decided to visit Autocrest as suggested by my mechanic Rohit. So on the first visit, there was some issue in the O2 sensors which got repaired, and then on the second visit there was the fuel rate pressure sensor. That was the problem which according to Siddharth had to be repaired down, but the fuel pressure was showing too lean, so that automatically detected that the sensor was not working fine. But in the third visit the car problem wasn't still gone, but so Siddharth asked me to drop the car for 1 week, so he needs to rectify.
अच्छे से इसको
हाँ,
इतना थोक बजा के देख लें.
Exactly. So he wants to get to the bottom of it, and there was two possibilities for those, like either the low pressure pump on the back side in the back of the car seat, and or either in the front high pressure pump. So when we took the car out and when the car was showing that problem, there was the fuel wasn't coming in the front.
Right.
So the issue was in the relay, I think relay, right? Yeah, relay and the fuel pressure pump,
Right.
which got repaired, and Siddharth and his team drove the car for almost about 200 kilometers.
Yeah.
So I'm all ready to check this beast again. So hopefully I'm gonna have
Fantastic.
a great experience.
Fantastic. और आपने मुझे बताया था डॉक्टर साहब कि आपने इसको बेचने के लिए बोला था ना जब आप लास्ट विजिट पे आए थे.
Yeah, actually I
आप बेचना चाह रहे
wasn't
थे.
getting.
You were very not very happy कि भैया
Actually,
मुझे.
I honestly wrote a review on my dealership from whom
You
I
bought
bought
this.
the car. That I bought this car and I spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees because the car wasn't getting repaired. Don't buy car from dealers and get it repaired. If you do, get it repaired from Autocrest.
थैंक यू सो मच. एक और बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात जो सुन में आ रही है कि बेचने वाली बात तो अलग होगी, बट कार की लाइफ अभी कितने साल और बची है?
It can go on from n number of years.
In the sense of Delhi NCR का, so another.
From according to that, it's 15 years, and
15.
it's barely 5 years. So
Right.
10
So
years.
you got 10 years.
Yeah.
So fingers crossed. You would really. I hope you have a wonderful, safe and comfortable journeys in this beautiful car. And जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि आपने वो affirmations किए, तो
Hopefully. Thanks
hopefully
to
this-
Anurag for letting me stay positive in that.
No, that's how these machines are. These are beautiful machines. So why to just get why to waste the money? So thank you, Dr. Saab. So you are Dr. Aman, and we can, I think, easily call Siddharth doctor of all the cars. है ना?
No, he's a big doctor.
He's a specialist. He's a specialist for all the top end and
specialist.
mid segment cars, especially all the international brands.
Definitely.
Thank you. Have a beautiful journey. God bless you and your family.
Bye bye.